my name is Triparnaaroy. Welcome to my channel. I have been doing makeup for past 11 years. The look I'm going to do today, I did it on Snehadi almost 2 years back and it really went viral. So I thought of recreating this look again. I hope you guys like it.
Starting off with priming the eyelids, I have used two shades from Makeup Revolution concealer. One is C9.5 and another one is C7. I have mixed these two shades to prep her eyelids. I'm not using a very bright eye base because I'm not going for a very colorful bright eye look. So I have kept the base very close to her own skin color. I'm using K Beauty eyeshadow stick in Revel on the outer corner of her eye. Using Colourbar all-rounder pencil in pitch black, I'm just tightlining the eyes. Using a smudger brush to smudge the kajal. Taking some black eyeshadow, applying it very close to the lash line and smudging it out. Using an eyeshadow from Morphe 35G Bronze Gold Edition eyeshadow palette, I'm using a very soft matte brown as a transition shade with a fluffy brush. Using a dark brown eyeshadow on the outer V just to define exactly where I applied the K Beauty matte eyeshadow stick, and I'm just slowly depositing the color and not doing anything. I'm just creating a shape out here. Applying some gold eyeshadow from the same palette. Taking AMC gel eyeliner from Inglot and applying a very thin line close to her eyelashes. Taking MAC Studio Fix and buffing out the harsh edges. You can use any translucent powder or any powder. Using PAC pencil in Nude and just applying it on her waterline. Taking some brown, black and applying it on her lower lash line just to create some depth. Using PAC lashes in the style Trips. taking a wet wipe and cleaning all the fallouts that was on the face. Applying some Cetaphil moisturizer. She has very dry skin, so I took my time to apply this moisturizer. Now I'm going in with my hands to blend it out because I felt it was a little dry, and applying one thin layer of MAC Strobe Cream as well. For concealing, I have used two shades. One is from Derma, which is DFT, and another one is Chinese in Supra color. Blending all this out with a damp small beauty blender. For foundation, I have mixed three shades from Nars Radiant foundation. One is Stramboli, Fiji and Gobi, and applying it all over her face and neck. For contouring, I have used LA Girl Dark Cocoa, and I'm using it with a small brush. Blending the edges with a damp sponge. To highlight under the eyes, I have used Too Faced concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm only using it on the higher points of the face. For translucent powder, I have used Huda Beauty in the shade Cupcake, and I'm applying it with a PAC Pizza Puff. Applying Benefit California as blush. This is one of my favorite blush because it has some gold in it with peachy undertones. Using some MAC Fix Plus in the shade Radiance just to finish up everything. For highlighter, I have used Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlight in Precious Petals, applying it on the high points of the cheeks, forehead, nose and chin. Using a lip liner from Swiss Beauty. I really don't know the shade because it was a gift, so I don't know the shade. Using lipstick from Shopaarel lip palette. using a matte brown eyeshadow to fill in her eyebrows. Applying some mascara on the lower lash line, I am using MAC Extended Play.
This is the final look. I hope you like it. This look is very special to me because I did this look on her almost 2 years back, and this was the first look that I did on her. If you like this look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.